Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today, we will go through some important GK questions related to Operation Sindoor. First question is, what was the approximate duration of the strikes carried out during Operation Sindoor? A. Around 10 minutes. B. Around 25 minutes. C. Around 1 hour. D. Over 2 hours. The correct answer is B. Around 25 minutes. Next question is, on what date was Operation Sindoor officially launched by India? A. 5th May 2025. B. 7th May 2025. C. 9th May 2025. D. 11th May 2025. The correct answer is B. 7th May 2025. Next question is, who was the Chief of the Army Staff of the Indian Army when Operation Sindoor was launched? A. General Manoj Pandey. B. General Vikram Singh. C. General Upendra Dwivedi. D. General K.M. Karyappa. The correct answer is C. General Upendra Dwivedi. Next question is, what was the primary reason for India launching Operation Sindoor on 7th May 2025? A. To conduct routine military exercises near the border. B. To retaliate against the terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir. C. To test new military equipment and strategies. D. To improve diplomatic relations with Pakistan. The correct answer is B. To retaliate against the terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Kashmir. Next question is, Operation Sindoor was a coordinated effort involving which branches of the Indian Armed Forces? A. Only the Army and Air Force. B. Only the Navy and Coast Guard. C. The Army, Navy, and Air Force. D. The Border Security Force and Central Reserve Police Force. The correct answer is C. The Army, Navy, and Air Force. Next question is, who was the Chief of the Air Staff of the Indian Air Force during Operation Sindoor? A. Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary. B. Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria. C. Air Chief Marshal Bipin Rawat. D. Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh. The correct answer is D. Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh. Next question is, who was likely the Chief of the Naval Staff of the Indian Navy at the time of Operation Sindoor? A. Admiral R. Hari Kumar. B. Admiral Karambir Singh. C. Admiral Arun Prakash. D. Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi. The correct answer is D. Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi. Next question is, which of the following locations was not reported as being targeted during Operation Sindoor? A. Bahawalpur. B. Kotli. C. Islamabad. D. Muzaffarabad. The correct answer is C. Islamabad. Next question is, who was serving as India's Defence Minister during Operation Sindoor? A. S. Jaishankar. B. Rajnath Singh. C. Nirmala Sitharaman. D. Ajit Doval. The correct answer is B. Rajnath Singh. Last question is, what type of weaponry was primarily used in Operation Sindoor? A. Missiles. B. Air-dropped bombs. C. Infantry assaults. D. Naval warfare. The correct answer is A. Missiles. How many did you get right? Comment below. Subscribe for more questions and stay ahead in GK. Thank you for joining us today.